Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to talk about my skin because my face has been going through a lot lately, and for the past couple of years that sometimes my face break out. When it break out, the blemishes leave and don't want to go away, and just so stubborn. So with the COVID, it just put like reality like sink in and says, you know what, you need to get yourself together. You need to take care of your body, take care of your skin. We're gonna start on the face. Now with that, I decided to go back to Urban Skin RX. I did use some of their products throughout the years, and the products were okay. Now I did mix it with Origin, and I love Origin products, and most of their products are 100% natural and stuff like that. Now with Urban Skin RX, I noticed that when I use their products, my skin, the blemishes remove a lot faster than Origin. Origin takes a long time. So I'm not hating on them. I love them, but they're expensive too. However, I ordered some products throughout the holiday sales because I only buy most of my stuff only buy when they have sale, because I don't got time for that to spend it on full price when I can just wait until they have sale. So let's see. I got the Even Tone Skin Bar. This is a cleanser. And I got the Even Tone Smoothing Body Treatment, because I do have some blemishes on my chest area that I'm trying to get rid of, and this is for the body treatment, so that's why I decided to purchase this. And plus they had it on sale, so why not? Then this is the Urban Skin RX Melon Expert Acne and Blemish Control Mask. So I decided to get the mask too, to input it into my cleansing routine. Not cleansing routine, but the exfoliation routine. Now I got the Radiance Restore Oil, the Hyptus Oil, and Vitamin A, C, and E oil. This is so tiny. I don't even know how much I paid for this, but it's tiny as heck. And I guess this is free. The Regional Vitamin C Complex. Okay, so these are free. These are one of the items that was included if I purchased a certain amount of price point. Then they'll send those for free. And this is the Urban Skin RX Complexion Protection Moisturizer with SPF of 30 in there. Then this, okay, this is the Complexion Correction Peeling Pads. So I ordered the peeling pads. I'm definitely going to try this out. I'm wondering if I should try it on my layover. I'm not sure because I have a 44-hour layover. I have a 44-hour layover. So I'm wondering if I should try it on my layover or try it when I am home. But I think I maybe might try on my layover and see how it goes. But I'll definitely vlog that so you guys can see the difference in my skin. And I also will leave videos of how my skin is now compared to what it was before, so you guys can see that Urban Skin RX the products definitely improved my skin a whole lot, and the change actually was faster comparing to me using Origin products. As I said, Origin products are great, they're natural, which is great, but it just takes a while for my skin, for me to see the change on my skin, while the Urban Skin RX products, I see this change within 3-4 months. So that's why I'm just going to continue to be faithful with these products because they're working on my skin. And even though I wanted to do something that was completely natural, but hey, I'm just going to have to work it out. So I don't know, maybe I'll probably use these until my skin completely clear, and then I'll go to Origin and use their product, and then maybe slowly remove Urban Skin RX products. But for now, I'm just going to stick with Urban Skin RX products because they're working and they're great for my skin also. But I'm definitely going to try out all these products, and I'll do a skincare routine for you guys in a few weeks, so you guys can see what the products with my, you know, the products that I use. I also use other products too, but you guys will basically see how I incorporate it in my morning skincare routine and nighttime skincare routine. But I'm definitely interested to see how the peeling pads actually work for my skin. Like, I'm super interested. Now that I can wear a mask, I don't mind peeling while I'm wearing a mask, as long as this part is covered, and I just do this later, but at least here is covered with a mask. So if I'm peeling here, nobody will know. So that's why I decided, plus it's winter time, so it will will work great for my skin during the winter. I believe it will work great for my skin during the winter. And it said improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, breakout, fine lines, and pore size. So I am excited for this chemical peel. I'm excited, super excited for this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little part of the unboxing of Urban Skin RX products. I think they're great. I think there is something that you should try. I would say try when they have sales, because at least you don't spend a arm and a leg for the products. But at least they have, when they have sales, you know, you get a little bit more for your money, if that makes sense. But yeah, but as I said, I've been using them. I know fly tents have been using them for years, and their skin is super, super clear. And I think that's why I went back to using their product fully, because I see other fly attendants using the products, and their skin is so smooth that they're so clear that they don't even need makeup. So that's why I was like, you know what, you convinced me, girl. I'm gonna go back and do Urban Skin RX. You convinced me, because your skin is glowing, girl. It is glowing. So when you see progress in other people, you're like, I'm gonna try that for sure. So that's why I went with them. Since it's a holiday season, definitely try them out. If you don't try all their products, which I wouldn't suggest that, but definitely ask some questions and go from there. But this for sure, the cleansing bar, this works like magic. This is great, amazing. This for sure is amazing for my skin. But yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Okay, this is how my skin is at this moment. I've been using the Urban Skin RX product, and it has been improving even on my skin tone a lot more. As you can see, I only have like just a few blemishes on my cheek area, but the other part of my skin is been evening out, because you can see that my neck and my face is looking almost the same color. So I really love this Urban Skin RX product. I'm pretty sure that within 6 months, hopefully my face will be completely even out, and that's what I'm hoping for. So thank you guys so much for watching.